who's responsible for this?
A mole.
A mole. Cool. And why is this a mole and not pocket gopher?
Pocket gophers are generally always underground,
Yep.
and they just come up and make mounds, which is why around here they're called salamanders, because they were sandy mounders and they called them salamanders.
I wondered
pretty
about
cool.
that. That's good.
Sweet. Yeah, so pocket gopher, do pocket gophers tunnel through the earth?
Sure.
Yes. But what are pocket gophers feeding on?
Tubers. Deep stuff.
Yeah, so herbivores, right?
Yeah.
Whereas these are also tunneling through the earth, but what are they feeding on? Insects, yep. Worms and all kinds of stuff. And in this case, we can pop down into the hole, right, and feel the chasm or the tunnel. And the second part of this question was, what is this animal actually doing?
I said it was burrowing, traveling.
Okay, traveling.
I said tunneling, but you could say feeding.
Foraging.
Foraging. Yeah. So, and just for fun, as human beings, when we say foraging, and I guess this is all somewhat subjective, but when we go foraging, what kind of food are we usually collecting?
Plants.
Plants, right?
Oh.
So, just for fun, what is this? What's the other, the sister word? This animal is hunting, which is kind of cool.
Okay.
And so, now granted, there could just be travel stuff, so to speak, but will moles come across ground and run across ground? Yeah, all the time. In fact, mole trails are fairly common in the world, above ground, really neat tracks.
We saw that horribly in California.
Yeah,
That was horrible.
So,
Brain crusher.
this is just kind of cool to think about, though. You know, you got this little power lifter of an animal. You know when you get a dead mole and it's got huge palmate hands that are basically, there's no forearms, so to speak, or visible. They're just attached directly to the side, and they're all neck, just this taper tube, and they're literally like little power lifters just ripping through earth and cruising along, often feeding on things. And then what else? As a hunting strategy, what are these tunnels serving as?
Traps.
Traps. So they can actually dig things out, and there may be different species that are doing different things, so I may be getting some overlaps. But on the whole, as far as I understand, moles will create little kind of trap systems that will then collect insects when they run out, and they'll sit almost like a funnel web spider or a trapdoor spider sort of a deal, but creating different systems, which is kind of cool to think about. So, yeah, fantastic little animal. Okay.